At TriDENT PDR, we're always looking to push into new areas. That's why we're now offering our full paintless dent removal service to the motorbike sector. After spending the last 11 years honing our abilities on some of the nicest vehicles in the automotive industry, we're super excited to bring those same skills to the world of motorbikes. If you've been unfortunate enough to receive a small ding or a large impact to your motorcycle tank, look no further. We're here to restore your pride and joy back to its rightful condition. You can rest assured that by bringing us your damage, we'll be investing every ounce of skill and dedication we have to bringing your bike back to life. Our methods help you maintain the factory finish or indeed custom paint work, which in turn helps you maintain the value of your motorcycle. Call us now to book a free estimate on your damage on 0330 400 53 63.